What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up an awesome brand new 2023 Hot Wheels. This is the Nissan Skyline GT-R R32 in the Godzilla livery. I never thought I would find this car, but I did, and I actually found multiple. This is such a sweet model. I am kind of a big fan of Skylines. They've really grown on me, and I'm so glad to add this one in the collection. This is from the Hot Wheels J Import Series, number 5 of 10, and number 69 of 250 for 2023. 2023, as you can see, has the blue number, 69 of 250, and a 2021 copyright. There's the back of the packaging here, 5 of 10 in that series. Such a beautiful model, and this casting, when it first came out, the hype was so big for this. People were bidding $25, $26, $30 for this. Still going strong around $15, $20 for this. But I found multiple, and I have one to crack open for my Skyline collection. R32 with the Godzilla livery. Let's crack it open and take a nice look at it. Check this out. Beautiful Skyline. Here's a nice quick shot of it right here. And a nice thick black plastic base with a 2002 original copyright, a 2015 retool copyright, gray Phil Riehlman 5-spoke wheels. Those are PR5s. This is such a beautiful model. This is probably my new favorite car for 2023, and it's going to be really hard to top this. This is such a nice one. Check that out. Kind of a pearl white, I think. Yeah, pearlescent white, beautiful details in the back. Look at that. This is so perfect. With the Godzilla livery. Check that out. Absolutely stunning. Black interior on this, with the driving on the right side. So, there you go. Hot Wheels logo, kind of these dots here. Really sweet livery. Nice spoiler on the back. Beautiful R32, GT-R, Skyline, Nissan on the back. Really detailed, and I love the wide body kind of design. The splitter in the back. Or, I think it's called a diffuser, I'm not sure. But I love the shape of this casting. This is super nice. There's the front there. Not too many details in the front. There's a hood scoop. Here's the top of it. There you go. And as you can see, this has a really nice shape to it. This is such a beautiful car. And I'm really proud of myself for finding this one. Super sweet. One of my new favorites in the collection, for sure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.